Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to add colourful text in CapCut. So here I have just a simple black video screen on my timeline. And then once you've added your video to the timeline and you want to add the colourful text, come up to the text section here in the top bar. Then you want to come down within the add text and select basic. Now within the basic, you want to scroll all the way down until you find this colourful text here. You want to drag this onto the timeline. Then you want to type out whatever you want the colourful text to say. I'll just select colourful text. Now before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now, where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. You can adjust the size and the font. This will work with any font that is in CapCut. We can extend it for the full length of the clip. You can also animate it. So that looks okay. And if you think it's too quick, you can select the duration of the animation here at the bottom to make it a little longer. So that's how to add colourful text in CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.